Look what's still here. I can't believe it. That's the biggest upset of the week. This is the garbage can that was in the laundromat. I've been just taking out the bag every week, but careful inspection. This is where the roaches were living. I don't see them now, but there was like 20 of them up in this hole. And I'm just gonna take this garbage can, throw it out, get a new one. Not a big deal. Don't want any bugs in the laundromat, obviously. The best security is just a busy laundromat. Normally I would have a friend here to help, but I put this board on the outside. That way what I'm going to do is put the soap machine right here, lift it up, set it against the board, screw it in. Hopefully I can get it done by myself. But a friend here would be awesome, but you got to do what you got to do. See how the outside looks. So got that all cut out, got the board out there. I have it offset a little bit, like a ½ inch coming towards the camera. That way, I don't think I want to have it flush. I might have it out a little bit and have a little piece of molding right here. So that's my plan right now. Let's see if I can get it in. Man, this guy really messed his box up. This box is junk now. So what he did, we'll show you the video in a little bit, but he was taking a screwdriver, trying to jam the screwdriver in here and trying to twist this box, which, come on, it's not gonna work. And a piece of the screwdriver broke off in here, so we couldn't get the key in anymore. So we had to hammer the key in and then twist it with some channel locks to open it up, just to get this box out. Luckily we had more boxes, but this is the kind of stuff that you know, somebody can just ruin your day pretty easily by, you know, trying to break in with a screwdriver. I got the machine in. I got it all level and plumb. If you see over here, I I got it sticking out just a little bit so the trim can come in and match that perfectly. Don't know what kind of trim I'm gonna do yet, but we'll decide. For mounting, what I did, I just drilled some screws in the side here. Got a bunch in the top. I've got one over here, one over here, and that's gonna hold the whole thing in. I'm gonna load it up now and get the dispenser in and give it a whirl, see if it works. And we are back. This is gonna be a wrap for this job. Besides the molding, it is a little bit hard to close, probably because it was bent. That all the drywall will be hidden behind molding. A little bit tough to close, but I can adjust that with hinges. Our new change machine looks great.